So it's pretty awesome. They'll just come. He's gonna land on my phone. He's now sitting on my phone. There's his bum. Let's flip it around and see if... There we go. Sorry, buddy, there's nothing there. We're back again on another hike. Atlas and I are here in Chilliwack about to climb Mount Webb. It looks like a doozy. 1,500 meters, 10K each way. So let's get after it. Greatest fear. Let's go, buddy. Go on. It is much colder than expected today. I'm glad I was ready because it is freezing. My cheeks are cold. I brought some thermal shirt, undies. I haven't put the undies on yet. I don't think we'll need that. I also brought my vest. But really what's keeping me the coldest here are my damn cheeks. So I put on my trusty gaiter. Warm me. Let's go. That's a big tree. Hey, Atlas. That is a big tree. What a good boy. Okay. All right, Atlas and I, we are about halfway up. This hike hasn't been too bad at all, really. Fair amount of switchbacks. We're kind of just walking along this beautiful river here, making our way to this lake. I imagine once we get to the lake, that's where the real elevation will start to go. And that being said, we'll really have to check out the snow like I mentioned before. It's quite cold up here. I've had to put on all my layers. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But it's been great so far. Beautiful. I'm really glad I waited it out because this would have been quite the slog if it was raining. A couple of down trees so far. No animals and no tracks, so things are looking good. What do you think, Atlas? Okay, let's go. The worst. Lucky I brought extra socks. Should always bring extra socks. Whoa, the higher we get, the more downed trees we're finding, which makes sense. Might be a little hard to tell, but this might be better. We are walking through just a wind blasted area. There's so many downed trees. It's quite amazing. It must get crazy windy up here. You can see all the way up through. So after this big beautiful hike, exactly what I thought might happen happened, and we just have too much snow to keep going. I don't have the right gear to be climbing up there, but my intent was to get to the top of this one. That's Mount Webb. So I guess we'll just have to settle with what we got here. I mean, we did pretty good. Well, we did it. Another absolutely beautiful hike. A little bit snowy. Kind of didn't anticipate that for some reason, but that's all right. Now, let's get out of here because it is cold. Woo! Just like that. Ugh. Ugh. Friend. Hello. So as I said, there's a couple of trees that were down. Here are some of them. These ones are a little more towards the bottom, but we can fight our way through. This one, I don't know what we're gonna do. Jump over it, I guess. Not going under it at this point. Wow. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Okay, go on. Go, let's go. Go on. Go. That boy is so afraid of bridges and water. Sometimes he won't cross, and we have to find another way, which means wading through rivers, bushwhacking. Yeah, you know, he's a dog, but he's a big baby. But we love him just the same. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Radium Lake, what a beauty. Pretty straightforward hike. Long, but not too much elevation all at once, which is always a pleasure. What did we do? About 18 kilometers, 30,000 steps. Unfortunately, we didn't make it to the top of Webb, but that's okay. Now that we know there's some campsites up there and things are, you know, pretty straightforward to get to, I'm thinking maybe next summer we do a little hike up there, camp for the night, and then explore some more of the mountains up and around Radium Lake. So keep an eye out for that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I had a great time. Atlas always has a great time. Now we are gonna go find him some chicken nuggets, and I'm off to a beautiful brewery this evening. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to everybody soon. See ya. One of the most fun things about camping and hiking around here are the whiskey jacks. They make you feel like you are one with nature. One is about to land on me.